Understanding the Torch Relay, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, torch relay. This term has a rich history and a significant cultural context, especially in sports. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning of torch relay, but also its origins and usage. So, let's light up our learning journey. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, torch and relay. A torch is a stick with flammable material at one end, which is ignited and used as a light source. Historically, torches were vital before the invention of electric lighting. The word relay refers to a race in which several team members complete parts of a race course or perform a certain action one after another. So, putting these two words together, we get a race or event where a torch is passed from one person to another. The concept of a torch relay has deep historical roots, particularly in ancient Greece. It was part of the Olympic Games, a major athletic festival held in honor of the god Zeus. The relay was a way to signal the start of these games. Today, the torch relay is synonymous with the modern Olympic Games, where a lit torch is carried from Olympia, Greece, to the host city of the current Olympics, symbolizing the connection between ancient and modern games. Beyond its physical activity, the torch relay holds significant symbolic meaning. It represents peace, unity, and friendship among nations. The flame's journey across continents reflects the Olympic spirit of bringing the world together through sport. The torch relay is not just a sport or a tradition, it's a powerful symbol of global camaraderie and hope. In everyday English, torch relay can also be used metaphorically. It might describe passing on a responsibility, tradition, or knowledge from one person or generation to another. For example, a retiring teacher might say they're passing the torch to a younger colleague, meaning they're transferring their duties and responsibilities. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning, history, and significance of the phrase, torch relay. It's a beautiful example of how language captures not just meanings but also cultural and historical essences. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the wonderful world of English language and its phrases.